Hello everyone. So today we are going to discuss on one of the most important concept in SAP SD, that is pre-sales activities. So before creating a sales order, how does a company interact with customer? How do we track the customer interest? How do we send the pricing to the customer? That's where inquiry and quotation come into the picture. Now we'll see what is pre-sales. So let's first understand the concept. So pre-sales activities happen before actual sales order creation. For example, a customer asks, "What is the price of 100 laptops?" At this stage, there is no commitment, no billing, and no delivery. Only communication and proposal. So in SAP, we handle this using inquiry and quotation. Now first we'll see inquiry. So inquiry is nothing but the customer interest. Okay. Inquiry is just a request from customer. It does not confirm anything. It is just for information. For example, customer asks, "Do you have this product? What is the price?" Okay. This is nothing but the inquiry. We'll see practical demo. Now let's go to the system. So to create inquiry, T code is VA11. Okay. Just note this T code. We are using T code as a VA11. Here we need to maintain inquiry type as a IN. Okay, this one is a standard inquiry type. You can use customize inquiry type as well. Okay, it will starts with Z or Y. Okay, now here I have maintained inquiry as a IN. Then here you need to maintain organizational data like your sales organization, distribution channel, division. If you haven't maintained, then also system will allow to create the inquiry, but it will take organizational data from customer. Okay, now here I have only maintained inquiry as IN. Just click on enter, then maintain sold to party, then click on enter. SAP may auto populate the ship to party. Now item level data. Here you need to maintain item details, that is material and order quantity. Click on enter. Now we need to go to item level data to check the pricing. Now double click on material, then you can see item level data. Here once you go to shipping, then plant and shipping point will determine automatically. This is a backend config. Okay. If you have any doubts how this plant and shipping point determine, then just comment. I will explain in my next video or upcoming videos. Then go to condition tab. Here you can see system may determine price automatically using condition records. Okay. Here I have maintained condition record for ZPR0 and I haven't maintained any tax conditions. Okay. Now go to edit in completion log. Here we'll get what is remaining in sales order. Okay. Now once document is completed, click on save. Now here you can see our inquiry has been saved. Now key points. Okay, no accounting impact, there is no delivery, just customer requirement tracking. Now once customer is interested, next step is quotation. Okay, quotation is nothing but the price commitment. For that T code is VA21. Note down this T code VA21 for creation of quotation. Now quotation is nothing but the legal offer to customer. It includes price, validity period, terms and condition, etc. For example, we offer 100 laptops at 50,000 each, valid till 30 days. This is nothing but the quotation. Now, standard quotation type is QT. You can use customized as well. If it starts with Z or Y, this quotation type is customized. Now, you can directly click on enter. Then also system will allow, but you can create with reference as well. Here you need to click on create with reference. One dialog box will open. Here you need to maintain inquiry number and just click on copy. Now All inquiry data, whatever details you have maintained in inquiry, same it will copy in quotation. How it is possible? So this is possible due to copy controls. Okay, I will post separate video on copy control. Now all data copied. Just go to item level data. We'll see whether any incompletion logs are there. Click on edit incompletion logs. Here you can see. Just select all and click on complete data. Now quotation valid to. This one is very important field. Quotation valid to date I will maintain as 1/4/2026. Then maintain all remaining fields. If you have set up already in material master data, then it will auto populate. Okay. Here I haven't maintained anything, so it is showing in incomplete data. Now click on continue. Our quotation has been saved. Now, when customer accepts the quotation, we need to create the order. Okay. So let's understand complete flow now. When customer asks the product, we need to create an inquiry by using T code VA11. Then customer sends price. It is nothing but the quotation. To create quotation, we need to use T code as a VA21. Then when customer agrees, then company needs to place sales order by using T code as a VA01. Then delivery and billing. This is complete OTC cycle starting. Okay, so there is one important question like what is difference between inquiry and quotation? So inquiry having no commitment, quotation having price commitment. Inquiry is informational purpose, quotation is legal document. Inquiry having no validity period, quotation has validity period. Okay, so friends, today we learn what is pre-sales, how to create inquiry, how to create quotation and real-time flow. In next video, we will cover sales order creation in detail. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching video. Stay tuned.